Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for how to get Deepseek API free, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to getting and using the Deepseek R1 API key without spending a dime. Deepseek R1 is a powerful AI model, and thanks to OpenRouter, you can use it for free. So let's get started. If you don't know, OpenRouter provides access to various LLMs, large language models, completely free of cost using a free API key. Go to OpenRouter and search for models at the top. In the search bar, type DeepSeek. Click on Deepseek R1 Free from the search results. You will now land on the Deepseek R1 Free page. Navigate to the API section. Click on Create API Key. I have already created my API key, but you can generate a new one for yourself. Copy the API key that you just generated where you want to run it. That's it. Now you can start using Deepseek R1 for free through OpenRouter. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.